Hey guys, today's going to be a super quick video. I'm just going to show you this. I'm not going to dive into it because really I don't use this. I just kind of found out about it from a post by Brian Myers. If you're not following him on LinkedIn or checked out some of his LinkedIn learning courses, I definitely recommend it. His stuff is awesome. He was one of the first guys that his content is one of the first things that I watched to learn Revit. So definitely check it out. Check out his stuff. So anyways, developer options in Navisworks. So pretty much it's just this. So typical option editor has these 5 drop downs, and then over to the right we have these 2 other ones, the registry and the export one. And so also, real quick, check out Discord if you want to join the channel. You'll find this link here below in the description. Feel free to join that if you like. So, anyways, Navisworks. So, got Navisworks here, and to open up the options, all we have to do is when we click on options. All we have to do is hold down Control and Shift. So I'm going to do that again. When we go in here, you click on, let me do that again. So in Options, we do Control, Shift, hold those down, and then click Options. And then you'll get these new cool settings inside of your option editor. So I guess if there's like specific things that you're wanting to do or you're having trouble with, or maybe you want to change some type of setting or even some type of default, this could be a good spot to go to. That option may be there. You can see there's a number of things in here, a number of like default settings. So you got your global options here. So you could come in here and change a lot of this stuff, but I would say, keep it in your back pocket. If you're running into a specific issue or problem and you've looked everywhere, maybe the setting is in here or something, potentially. So yeah, that's it. I just wanted to share this. No specific workflow or process, but just a quick tip just to show you guys that option's there. There's some cool things in there that you could try to mess with and change to see if it makes your templates or your just general experience with Navisworks better. But play around. Let me know if there's any specific settings in here that you're having trouble with, or that you think are super cool. Feel free to comment below. But anyways, as I mentioned in the PowerPoint, if you want to join the Discord server, go ahead. It's totally free. Anybody is welcome to post whatever. I mostly kind of like it focused around BIM and data science stuff. So if you've got questions like that, definitely feel free to post them, or if you've got cool articles or whatever. It's just a community of people that are interested in BIM, but also data science type stuff. So anyways, thanks a lot guys, and I will see you in the next video.